Today, let's dive into the phrasal verb, brush up on. This expression means to improve your knowledge or skill in a particular area, especially after not using it for a while. Imagine you learned Spanish in high school, but haven't spoken it in years. If you decide to brush up on your Spanish, you're essentially refreshing your memory and getting back into practice. Let's look at how to use it in context. You might say, I need to brush up on my math skills before the exam. This implies that you haven't been practicing math recently and you want to review the material to feel more confident. Another example could be, she decided to brush up on her public speaking skills before the big presentation. Here, it shows that she recognizes the need to refine her abilities to perform better. Now, how do we remember this phrase? A helpful tip is to visualize the action of brushing. When you brush something, you're removing dust and dirt, making it clean and fresh. Think of your knowledge as a dusty bookshelf. When you brush up on a subject, you're clearing away the cobwebs and making that information shine again. This mental image can help you recall the meaning of the phrase when you need it. Using brush up on correctly is all about context. It's often used when referring to skills or knowledge that require some refreshing. So, when you're talking about revisiting a subject, make sure you're clear about what you're brushing up on. For instance, instead of saying, I need to brush up on my cooking, you might specify, I need to brush up on my baking skills. This adds clarity and makes your communication more effective. In conversations, you can also use it to encourage others. If a friend is feeling rusty about their guitar playing, you might say, why don't you brush up on those chords? It'll come back to you in no time. This not only conveys the meaning, but also offers a supportive nudge. Remember, the key to mastering brush up on is practice. Try to incorporate it into your daily conversations. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. So, next time you find yourself needing to refresh a skill or knowledge area, remember to brush up on it and you'll be back on track in no time.